Hi, today we're going to take a look at last week's labs. The first part of this lab focused on setting up a circuit with a motor that is unidirectional. And by unidirectional, I mean that it only spins in a single direction. Um, this was the first time that we actually started using transistors, and transistors essentially enable you to switch a high load circuit from a smaller load circuit. This was the first time that we use a diode, and diodes are very important when you're working with motors because motors create a magnetic field that often will reverse the flow of electricity. Here you see me getting the motor to work for the first time, and this was the unidirectional version. Now we're going to take a look at setting up a motor for bidirectional movement, so that it can move to either the right or the left, so rotate either to the right or the left. As you can see here, not so much now that my hand is covering, but there's a little chip-looking like object that's called an H-bridge, and that is essential to set up a bidirectional motor. We did, when trying to set up a bidirectional motor, encounter some issues, which I'm going to just quickly share right now. As you can see here, this is a screen capture of my screen as I was working on this. The computer thought it was constantly logging, connecting and disconnecting from the Arduino, so this is probably that the Arduino was getting reset.